You can smell nature.
You can smell nature.
Welcome
To our story walk. Let's go this way.
How can one person or one vehicle or carbon dollars change our planet? Follow the arrows to read this book and find out.
Okay, so let's go.
It said that we have to follow the arrow.
Mm-hmm.
But
Look at that.
what's this?
No, we're gonna find
I
out.
think we found we gotta find clues.
We gotta find clues.
It said we gotta follow arrows.
Mm-hmm.
But what? One person, small, quiet, investigate.
Insufficient.
We
Emily, the word is insufficient.
One person, small,
Quiet, insufficient. Right.
Let's see.
You want to read this one?
Look, but when one person and one person and one person become many. Wow. Oh, look, more pages.
Mm-hmm.
One person seems small, quiet, and sophisticated. But when one person and one person and one person like us. Our seasons,
Mm-hmm.
our seas, one notch higher on the thermometer.
One notch higher on the thermometer. Small, quiet, insufficient. Thermometer.
But one notch
Higher can change. Okay.
But when many cars, many factories, and many cities let loose millions and billions and
Trillions.
they trap and
Scaffold
scaffold
like
a
two warm blankets. Okay, so we should go to the other side, Emily.
We can't. Instead, we gotta look for arrows.
Yeah, look, well, we're missing a lot of arrows over here.
Go. We went
This way. We gotta go this way.
Become many. They can change a planet.
Mm-hmm.
Our planet seems tough, but it is fragile. Our planet seems big, but it needs us.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, look!
Living fossils.
Living things evolve through nature's section. A process is which organisms with ideal traits for
Specific habitat. Survive and multiply.
Can you find these living fossils growing in the marsh?
Oh, we could go look for them in the marsh. Magnolia. Scoring rush. Those are plants. Those are fossils.
So we have
have to find those, right?
We gotta find the living fossils.
Okay then.